We begin, though, with the federal government bumping up Michigan's vaccine allotment to more than 620,000 doses next week, and that is the state's highest total yet. We come at you tonight at 11 with the increase in vaccines coming amid this surge of COVID cases across Michigan.
The state will be receiving 66,000 more doses than anticipated after Governor Gretchen Whitmer asked for more doses today during a call with several other governors and the White House. According to the CDC, Michigan now leads the country in COVID cases per population. Today, the state reporting more than 5,000 cases, continuing a 5-week-long upswing in cases here. Our Mara McDonald is live at the TCF Center tonight. Mara, vaccine eligibility expands to everybody 16 and up next week, right?
It sure does, Kimberly, but already here in the city of Detroit, they are vaccinating 16 and up. Grand Rapids decided to do the same thing today because this surge is real. And the question tonight is, what, if anything, is Lansing going to do about it? Yesterday, 2,144 people were hospitalized with COVID across this state. Today, it's already up to 2,424. You will remember the governor put restrictions in place last fall when that hospitalization number reached 3,000. We are rapidly approaching that 3,000 mark.
What we've seen is that we've doubled our positivity rate here in Michigan just in the last 2 weeks, which again is incredibly concerning to us. I think one of the things that we have to be mindful of is the way that we can get ahead of COVID is that we have to absolutely reduce the risk of spread.
Hospital admissions are increasing across all age groups, but the biggest increase, according to the state, is between the ages of 50 to 59. The question is now what? So far, Lansing has been mum about reinstating any restrictions, but Governor Whitmer asked for and got more than 60,000 doses of vaccine on top of our usual allotment for next week because of our surging cases. From the CDC, here's where we stack up. The top 4 are New York City, Michigan, New Jersey, and Connecticut. We are the #1 state in the U.S. per capita for new COVID cases over the last 7 days. The numbers are not good. We reached out to the governor's office tonight to see if she could talk to us about what's next. She was not available. However, we did get this statement, which in part reads, as we work closely with our state's leading health experts to monitor COVID-19 trends, I'm asking Michiganders to double down on smart precautions. Back here live, both the governor and Mayor Mike Duggan have been pushing the necessity for vaccines, especially in the last week or so. But there has been reticence among some Detroiters about whether they want to get this vaccine. But a new study from U of M tonight says that Detroiters' interest in getting this vaccine has actually gone up. It was at a dismal 14%. It's now up to 38%. We're live downtown tonight at the TCF Center. I'm Mara McDonald, Local 4.
Okay, Mara, thanks.